How do you really measure the years? By the hourglass of the traveled fields, and I'll steal the hand that fixes time, 'cause I've got a love that won't run dry. Hold me close, never let go.
Trust and respect sa isa't isa. Dapat ito ay palaging 100%.
Echo, this love is endless.
Ang desisyon dapat parehong kayo ang may gusto, hindi kagustuhan lang ng isa. Dapat kapag may problema, dapat pag-usapan ninyo to ng kayong dalawa.
This love is, my love is. You are
About Karen?
to fly.
Ang sabi ko sa kanya, you're my most welcome and much needed distraction. But now, nung namit ko si Karen, medyo nagkaroon ng meaning ng buhay. She revived my life. Most people here, especially my closest friends and my family, had experienced my past, and had also seen what Karen brought to my present and now to my future.
Beating hearts and they echo, echo. This love is
Si Erwin, napakamaintin ng ulo, pero sweet. Minsan wala sa lugar, pero marirealize mo na tama din pala yung mga sinasabi niya kasi it's for you pala. It's for your own good. Minsan nga lang hindi mo makakausap kasi sobrang busy sa trabaho, pero napaka-worth it na siya yung kasama ko dito na suot ko yung singsing na to dahil sa kanya. And nakita ko kay Erwin lahat ng mga bagay na lahat ng dapat gawin ng isang lalaki. Lahat ng responsibilidad. Hindi niya ako iniwan, pininindigan niya ako.